So the meal I will be preparing today is steak and cilantro-lime crema with cheddar corn muffins. All right. The calories on this meal is a little bit on the high side, 762. Carbohydrates is 54, fat 39, and protein is 45. So when I eat this meal, I'll pair it with a meal, of course, that has less calories and less carbs. But this is the meal I'm making today. Okay. Also, it's going to be zucchinis in this meal. I'll be stir frying some zucchini to go with the meal. Okay. So I'll be back to prepare this meal. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The meal I will be preparing today is steak and cilantro-lime crema with cheddar corn muffins. So here I have my steak, my cheddar cheese, my muffin mix, cilantro, zucchini, scallions, sour cream, and seasoning. Okay? So I'm going to start prepping my ingredients, and I'll be back to put this meal together. So as you can see, I cut up my zucchini, I chopped up my cilantro, I cut up my green onions, and now I'm about to prepare my batter for my cornbread mix. So here I have the mix, the cornbread mix. I'm going to add the cheese, 1/4 cup water, the green onions, the scallions, but the green part, not the white part. And what I'm going to do is just mix this up and put it and get ready to bake it in the oven, all right? So I'm going to get this together and I'll be back. So I have my corn cheddar muffins ready to go in the oven. So I'm about to put this in the oven at 350, and I shall be back. Okay, today I decided to use my cast iron skillet. So I'm about to sear this steak up. I'm gonna season it with black pepper and some onion and herb Mrs. Dash. I put the black pepper on already. I got ahead of myself. So I'm just going to sear this up. I'm going to let my steak cook on both sides. And then after that, I'm going to prepare the zucchini. I have my muffins still in the oven cooking up. And I shall be back. You know I had to come back with a sneak peek. I already seared it on one side. I flipped it over, starting on the other side, the next side. So steak is cooking up. Muffins still in the oven. Once the steak is done, I'll be back with the veggies. Listen to that sizzle. Beautiful music to my ears. So my steak is finished. I turned the burner off, and I'm about to make my my crema. So I have sour cream, 1 teaspoon olive oil, some cilantro, some fresh lime, and the white onions from the scallions. So I'm gonna mix that up. And this is gonna go on top of my steak. The cilantro crema. So here you have it. I'm gonna put it in the fridge right now. My muffins should be ready. I'm going to take it out the oven. I'll be back. Had to give you a sneak peek of the steak resting on the plate. that steak looks scrumptious. Another sneak peek. My muffins, my corn cheddar muffins. Ready to go. I'm about to start the veggies now. So I'm using the same pan I cooked my steak in. I put a little bit more olive oil in it. Put my zucchini in it now. And I'm just going to just stir fry my zucchini. So I'm just going to let this cook down, and I'll be right back. Okay, the zucchini is starting to get to where I need it to be. Just cooking it down so it get a little bit more tender. And I'm going to add some of that seasoning. And I'm going to finish cooking this. And return with my plated dish. Here's the plated finished dish, and it looks lovely. Steak and cilantro lime crema. Your steak, the lime crema, zucchini, and the corn muffins with cheddar. It looks so good, I don't even want to eat it. So, as usual, I'm going to eat this meal, and I'll be back with my review. Okay, here's my review on the steak and cilantro lime crema with cheddar corn muffins with some zucchini, stir-fried zucchini. The star of this dish was the cheddar corn muffins, I must say. They was very good. That was a star of the dish. The crema sauce was good. It wasn't, man, I'll make it again. It was just good. Zucchini is always good. So the star of this dish was the cheddar corn muffins. Overall, it was a good dish. The next dish I will be making is a jalapeno Papa chicken with corn and zucchini. Jalapeno Papa chicken with corn and zucchini. That'll be my next meal. Stay tuned.